If your life feels like it keeps repeating itself, it's not bad luck, it's structure. There's a pattern underneath your experiences, and tarot actually maps that pattern. Today, I'm going to show you how. Hi, my name is Z, and this is The Art of Becoming, a space devoted to identity work, self-possession, and conscious transformation. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Fool's Journey in Tarot, how it connects to archetypes, and why you don't actually move forward in life until you integrate the lesson. So, this is the Fool, and structurally, this is you. In Tarot, there are 22 Major Arcana cards. These are not everyday events. They represent major stages in human development. The Fool moves through all 22 cards, each one representing a different phase, lesson, or initiation. So instead of asking, what's going to happen to me, a more useful question to ask the cards is, where am I in this journey? The psychologist Carl Jung introduced the world to something called archetypes. He would describe these as universal patterns that exist within all of us. These show up in mythology, dreams, and storytelling, and Tarot is essentially a visual system of these archetypes. This is why Tarot feels so accurate. It's not predicting your life, it's reflecting patterns, symbols that your psyche already understands. Early in your journey, you'll have cards like the Magician, realizing your power, the High Priestess, turning inward. This card represents intuition and trusting your inner voice. The Empress, creation, identity, fertility, what it takes to grow something from within. As you move forward along your journey, you encounter tension. The Lovers, this card represents alignment and choice. You think about relationships. One of the determining factors of the success of a relationship is how aligned you are in your values. This card signals you to look at those things and see what is congruent and what isn't. We have the Chariot. This card is about discipline and direction. Are you willing to do what it takes to get to your goal? Do you have a clear goal in mind? Do you know where you're going? Are you steering the ship in the right direction? The Devil. This represents attachment. This is about cycles that you know you should leave, but haven't yet. This is where most people get stuck. So we don't move through life automatically. You move through life with integration. If you don't understand what a cycle is teaching you, you don't exit it. You can think of this kind of like a video game. In order for you to move past level 1 to level 2, you must be able to integrate the knowledge, overcome those obstacles, learn how to deftly apply your skills so that you can move on to the next level. And the tarot shows you or reflects to you where you are in your life's journey so that you can apply the knowledge in the same way. Sometimes when we're in things, we can't see the forest for the trees. But tarot is a wonderful guide to help you understand the patterns that are happening in your life and what to do about them. So again, just like the video game, if you don't integrate the lesson, you repeat it. The same relationship, different person. Same emotional patterns, different context. Same lesson, just louder. And when we get to that loud space, this is essentially when a lesson isn't integrated and now life intervenes, forcing you to look at this pattern. Here you'll encounter such cards as the Tower card, Disruption. This is literally like the hand of God smacking down whatever it is. This can be things that you weren't expecting, an abrupt breakup, or losing a job that you really connected your identity to. These are very jarring experiences. It forces us to look at things that we were not willing to look at before until life needed to intervene in order for us to integrate the lessons that were being presented to us. We have the Death card. This card represents transformation. It's not always a physical death, although sometimes it can represent those things, but it's more a pattern and it's letting you know that a particular cycle is coming to an end or needs to end. This will be present when you are going through deep transformations, either physically or just in the world around you, and it is signaling to you to take the time to see this ending through, knowing that it will bring about a new beginning. And we also have in this category the Star card. This is healing and renewal. You've integrated the lessons. You're taking care of whatever this situation or lesson is and tending to it. And now you're ready to move forward. Now we have the World card. In the traditional tarot, it is called the World. This is called the Universe. I will link the decks below if anyone is interested in the decks that I've been showing. This one is the Thoth Tarot deck. So the World card is the final card of the Major Arcana. It represents completion, integration, wholeness. And you don't get here by avoiding the lessons. You get here by embodying them. And once you do, you become the Fool again, a new level, a new cycle. And you can think of it as you bringing all of the information that you just took with you and integrated from your last cycle into this new one. When you actually bring something into your soul, you carry it with you. And so when the cycle repeats itself, yes, you'll have new problems, but they'll be better ones, and you'll be more equipped to deal with them because you went through and completed that cycle, and you've achieved the gnosis required to move on to the next cycle of life. This is how I approach tarot. I'm not asking what's going to happen to you. I'm asking, what cycle are you in? What pattern is active? What is this trying to teach you? Because if something keeps repeating in your life, it's trying to be understood. This is exactly what I help you uncover in my tarot reflections. Each reading is designed to help you identify the deeper patterns in your life, not just surface level situations. I intentionally include Major Arcana in every single reading to get to the root of the cycle that you're in. You'll receive a full spread along with a recorded interpretation. This will walk you through the themes, the lessons, and how to integrate them so that you can move forward with self-trust and clarity. So if you feel like something in your life keeps looping, this is your invitation to understand it. You can book your reading through the link in my description. Step into the mirror.